Hello everyone, today I'm going in ragdoll as a bacon. I'm recording this the same day that I recorded the other one where I went into ragdoll as weirdcore, dreamcore. So I'm doing this again but as a bacon. I think I'm gonna do these with all the different styles. So what should we do? Should we do just like a few TikTok trends? You know, something that bacons do? I'm just gonna see what's happening over here. Are you That is a bold question. Did she just back away? Hey, editing brisk anime here. Are we just gonna ignore? Did I just ignore the fact of what this person just said? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, what do I do? I feel like you don't get a lot of attention as a bacon, so I'm just gonna do a few things, do a few poses, feeling humble. You take one down, you pass it on. How dare you? Wow. Yeah, how dare you? Bacon hater, cancel him. Honestly, I do see why some people do get annoyed. Because some bacons, they kind of like, they try and get attention, but that's only just like, I witnessed a murder. 99 bottles of beer on the wall, 99 bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it around, 91. No, beer's bad. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. I was thinking of that TikTok song. I'm sorry y'all had to sit through that. My speed is 500. Better than Sonic. Okay. Okay. Whee! Someone edit this. Oh, you die now. Okay. New feature added to the game. Update.
Yes.
Yeah, look at me. Is this girl good? There's no names. Someone edit this again. Someone make this their profile picture. I dare you. Did I just die again? Did I die? Am I dead? I hope I'm not dead. He just no. Oh, I just remembered that song Molly, where it's like, she was a good girl, then it's great. Good song. Yo, Leo. That's such a Leo thing of you to do. Should I just end the video on my corpse? Yeah, I'll do that.